Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Steam games with a gift card. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to just open up the Steam application or go to their website and log in into your account. And now you have to select any game from here. So for example, I'll select a random game from here, something like this. I'll just click on it. And then you have to uh, click on add to cart and click on and then just go to your cart and buy it. And once you go to payment methods, there's going to be a gift card method. Oh, by the way, only Steam gift cards are gonna work here. No any other gift card is gonna work on Steam. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. It's that simple. You just have to add to your cart and go to your cart, then just add in your payment method and buy the game. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.